Strato has been a premier supplier to the railroad industry for over 40 years. The air brake system is a key safety component to the operation of the train, with hoses and fittings playing a critical role. In this short video, we will provide an overview of air hoses and fittings and the AAR requirements. Hoses fall into two main categories, each with their own AAR specifications and required approvals. There is also a wide range of fittings and gaskets specifically designed for the railroad industry with their own requirements. We will also address installation and maintenance issues. The end hose connects the train line between two cars. It is critical that this hose is properly installed and maintained so the brake system is fully operational. Air hose separation is one of the largest causes of train delay. The 15-degree glad hand is used on all non-cushioned cars. The straight shank end hose is used on cushioned cars because the hose attaches a lower point. This allows glad hands to be fully engaged. There are four types of glad hands. First is the F-type, which we just reviewed, and it connects the main train line. The others are used on locomotives and special applications such as door air. The key reason for different types of glad hands is to prevent cross connections. The end hose can be constructed in two ways. Some are hand-wrapped, dating back to a process defined in the AAR specifications in 1903. Recently, machine-braided hoses were approved by the AAR, offering advantages in consistent quality and eliminating hose distortions that the hand-wrapped process generates. All end hoses must be AAR approved through a range of rigorous tests. Some of the key tests are to ensure the hose maintains flexibility at cold temperatures, tested at -40 degrees, but also not be too flexible in warm temperatures where it might kink and block the airflow. Strato's AAR test lab is one of the few fully equipped facilities that can perform all AAR required hose tests. The M618 hoses are used in a wide range of applications to transfer brake air. They come in a range of sizes to meet required airflow needs. The M618 hose is extremely tough and durable. It is required to be changed every 15 years as compared to the 8 years for the M601 end hose. It has steel braids to prevent kinking and provide extra strength. M618 has its own testing requirements by the AAR. Hose assemblies used for brake cylinder line hose assemblies, also called truck-mounted brake hoses, have to pass an M619 performance spec in addition to the M618 testing. Fittings used on hose assemblies make the connection between components. There are three types: flanged, threaded, and glad hands. They come in different angles to assure the best application and fit. Flanged is replacing threaded to reduce leakage. Air pipe is used to transport air between components. Strato does not sell pipe, but we provide a full line of weld fittings, branch pipe tees, and pipe clamps. The AAR also has requirements for weld fittings and branch pipe tees to ensure air system integrity and maintainability. Another AAR requirement to ensure braking integrity are test ports that are required on every car to test brake cylinder air pressure. The industry also has a wide range of specialty parts for specific applications. One example would be the 60-degree locomotive elbow casting used to attach three types of glad hand hoses to the locomotive. Gaskets also have their own AAR requirements for manufacturing and performance. Gasket inventory should be rotated to manage the age of the gaskets. Replacing damaged hoses is important to maintaining airflow and preventing train delays. A kinked hose, especially in an intermediate hose, is a visible sign that the internal steel braiding has been crushed and damaged, and the hose should be replaced. Other damage can be seen in cracking, twisting, wear, and cuts to hoses. Heating sheds can also cause heat damage or burn hoses. Refer to Rule 5 in the field manual for detailed information. The proper installation of a hose will vary with the type of hose, but is critical. Recently, train delays have been attributed to hoses kinking from improper installation. If you are unsure how to install a hose, ask for assistance or refer to the field manual, Rule 5. A repair often overlooked in the field is replacing pipe with hose. The AAR has approved replacing pipe with hose for the air brake system for all lines except the main train line. Repairing cracked and broken pipes can be difficult, requiring experienced labor to cut, bend, weld, and then heat relieve the pipe. Hose can be quickly installed in the yard without having to bring the car into a shop. Hose and fitting kits are available from stock to replace all pipes. Strato is dedicated to making safe, effective, and extended life components for cars and locomotives. To ensure that we meet the mission of our company, exceed the need, we will continue to expand our resources and increase our capabilities to serve the industry and our customers.